Yes.
Okay, so hello and welcome to Pharma Minds. So, as you all know, that Pharma Mind is the only institution in India where all the teachers and mentors are GPAT and NIPA qualified, and we all belongs to NIPA. And this is how we are proving that every year we are sending around 30 to 35 students to NIPA Mohali and almost around 200 students in overall NIPA. So this year we are also starting with the same thing. Uh, the count is already 172 who are under 1000 and under 200 is around 52 students. So we are very happy, and you are somebody who is giving us the attitude, confidence, or you can say the potential to say anything in front of any people. I visited so many states, and my attitude is like here. If I am here, my attitude is here just because of you. You gives us the confidence. So I welcome you to this interview, and I want you to introduce one by one. Sakshi is going to lead the interview, and she will ask like who is going to introduce first.
Okay. So, ladies first, Gayatri. Gayatri.
Hi everyone. My name is Gayatri, and I come from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I pursued my B Farm in Madras Medical College, and I enrolled into Pharma Mines after seeing seniors getting like the first ranks and all. That's how I honestly connected with Pharma Mines, and I didn't have any expectations, but later I'm very happy about my decision because I was not aware about the faculties were Nigerians. I didn't know about it, and later I realized it, and I was very happy about it. And initially I struggled with the language problem, but later I was able to cope up with it, and I'm very happy about my decision because their notes helped me a lot because I started only later during after my sixth semester only. So I didn't have that much time to refer for standard books and all. So I only relied on Pharma Minds notes. I didn't even touch any standard books. I'm very sure about it. And I was very happy during the exams also. I saw many questions from the mock tests and all. So I think they showed their their power during the exams only. So I'm very happy about it, and because of them, I secured Air 29. So definitely, I'll be happy about it. Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you just heard AIR 29, and I am extremely proud of you, Akash sir, Dipanshu sir, Akshat sir, Samit sir. Everybody is overwhelmed, over happy, over proud of you for on this achievement. And now
And
over.
also, I wanted to say about the staffs also. Like Dipanshu sir was always there. Whenever I reached to him like crying and all, he was like always okay. Calm yourself now. Let's note down what all you finished, what all you didn't finish. Make a plan, and he was always there to guide me. So I'm really thankful to Dipanshu sir and also Sakshi ma'am and also Akash sir also. They really helped me a lot.
Thank you, Gayatri. It like yeah, each of your words is like meaningful to us. They motivate us, and yes, this gives us energy for the next year. And I want the same energy from Lakshya AIR 37. Now, introduce yourself to the audience.
Yes, ma'am. Hello to all the teachers and all the members here. So my name is Laksh Dave. I am basically from Rewa in Madhya Pradesh, and I completed my graduation from GSITS College in Indore, and I was also a batch topper in that. Next, coming to how I came to know about Pharma Minds. So I started my preparation of GPAT in January 2025 itself. It was my first time, and I was scrolling through all the stuffs available in YouTube free. So I came to know about Nishchay batch. So I enrolled in Nishchay 2025 Niper batch from that day, and I started preparing from that itself. And speaking about the faculties, all the teachers here, so कोई भी जैसे आपको गाइडेंस चाहिए, कोई भी डाउट हो तो आप किसी भी टीचर्स को टेक्स्ट करते हैं, वो दे आर ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल 24/7 आपको हेल्प करने के लिए. एंड थैंक यू साक्षी मैम, आपने भी गाइडेंस करा जो टॉपिक्स रिलेटेड डाउट्स थे उनके लिए. और अक्षत सर, आपने तो एप्टीट्यूड एकदम अच्छे से फॉलो ही दिया, जैसे आपकी लैंग्वेज है सेम. और आकाश सर, आपका मैंने यूट्यूब मतलब जनरल नॉलेज जो आप पढ़ाते हैं उसको देखना स्टार्ट करा था. सो आपका पढ़ाने का तरीका बहुत अच्छा है, जैसे आप इंट्रो लेते हैं तो उसमें मतलब एक पॉजिटिव वाइब आती है बहुत ही. स्टार्ट करने पहले आपका जो इंट्रोडक्शन करने का तरीका है, सो इट वाज रियली गुड। एंड आकाश वर्मा सर, उनका पढ़ाने का तरीका वो काम रहते हैं एकदम, और बहुत अच्छे से उन्होंने मार्केटिंग पढ़ाया, बाकी फार्माकोलॉजी जैसे जो भी सब्जेक्ट्स हैं। एंड आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू स्पीक अबाउट द टेस्ट सीरीज, जो टेस्ट सीरीज डिज़ाइन करी गई थी एग्जाम्स के लिए, मतलब उसके लेवल मॉडरेट भी था और हार्ड भी क्वेश्चन थे। जैसे कि बोला जाता है कि आपको प्रिपरेशन अपनी एक लेवल ऊपर ही करनी है, एग्जाम कैसा भी आ सकता है। सो दैट वाज वेरी वेल डिजाइंड। बहुत सारे न्यू टॉपिक्स थे, न्यू क्वेश्चंस जो हमें देखने को नहीं मिलते अगर आप कंपेयर करेंगे और किसी प्लेटफॉर्म से या जो भी फ्रीली अवेलेबल कंटेंट है उसके लिए। तो दैट वाज रियली हेल्पफुल एंड दैट वाज माय एक्सपीरियंस विद ऑल द फैकल्टी मेंबर्स एंड आई एम प्राउड टू बी अ मेंबर ऑफ फार्मा माइंड। एंड इसके साथ जो जर्नी रही वो बहुत अच्छी थी और आगे भी ऐसी बनी रहे साथ में। दैट वाज माय ऑल।
And Lakshya, hearing from AIR 37 this year, जो आपका लाइफ टाइम आपके बैच के जैसे रहेगा, it was a compliment to us also. Now moving on to
Sakshi, I want to add one more thing here. So as Lakshya was appreciating you, so I want also to appreciate you. So initially whenever I used to have a call from any student and like I need to convince them like why should they join. So I used to tell like if you know Sakshi Mantri, so I introduce you as a synonym of discipline and discipline and alertness. Means if something is doable, like many times we feel that this work takes 15 seconds only. So she is like that. If something is like doable within a minute, she used to do. And discipline is something she maintains continuously since like I know her from February 2021 to till now. So from that particular day to today, what is the date? 21st June 2025. So nothing is changed.
Not only the Dipanshu, actually I have the same experience with Sakshi.
Arey, this is not my felicitation, guys. This guy will join some other day to hear about me. Now let's move to Jayashree, AIR 30.
I think I'm audible, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, you are.
Today, everything will make sure, every internet, Jio, Ambani, everybody will make sure that you are audible to us.
Sure, ma'am. Hello, everyone. This is Jayashree, and I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And I studied in Madras Medical College, Chennai. And I secured an All India rank of 30 in MS MPharm MBA session and an All India rank of 296 in MTech session. And I joined Pharma Minds through Pharma Quest Quiz, and I am so happy for that. And I am proud to say that I am a student of Sankalpian batch 2025. And I would like to thank the whole Pharma Minds team for their constant guidance, support, and motivation.
Thank you, Jayashree. And yes, PharmaQuest is going on right now also. Yeah. So now moving on to Himani, AIR 35 this year proudly.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, very good evening, everyone. So this is Himani from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I have pursued my bachelor's in pharmacy at Madras Medical College, Chennai. And about Pharma Minds, how I get to know about Pharma Minds is through one of our seniors, which is none other than Aisha's sister. She is the one who constantly motivates me to get into NIPA. You have to prepare it from now itself. You have to stay motivated, and you have to join some coaching institute for sure. And she also recommended Pharma Minds, as she also gone through the same. And similarly, when I was about to join Pharma Minds, there was a Pharma Quiz going in Pharma Minds. So I also got introduced to Pharma Minds team through Pharma Quiz. And then I joined Sankalp 2024 to 2025 batch. And it's where my journey started with the Pharma Minds. And to tell about the faculties, I'm extremely thankful to all the faculties in Pharma Minds. And I still remember my first class in Pharma Minds is medicinal chemistry by Geetakshi ma'am. And I sincerely fell in love with her. I have never seen any staff taking a medicinal chemistry like her. I thought I would have joined in the third semester itself, so it would be easy for my semester exams too. So it was that easy and that simple. She takes the classes. And apart from her, I love all the faculties and their teaching way. And to tell about pharmacology, Akash sir is the pro maths in it. He makes it simple, and he never makes us think it's difficult, or he never makes it so clumsy. He will never include any unnecessary or unwanted points into the topics. So we all know that pharmacology is a very vast subject, and no one can complete it within a period of 2 to 3 months. And it's very essential to sort out the important points and topics to make it easier in an exam point of view. So Pharma Minds modules and Akash sir made it very easy for me. And to tell about Akash Manmudi sir, sincerely, I have a huge language barrier with Pharma Minds team. So Akash Manmudi sir is the pro in it. He always used to speak in Hindi, and even though he speaks in Hindi, I can get to know what is coming to convey. And I also love his classes because he will always have a smiling face. It will be like a more enjoyable session for us whenever we join his class. And to tell about chemistry, I'm honestly thankful to Apurva ma'am. She is a very dedicated staff. Even though if a person asks a doubt 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, or how many times if a person asks a doubt, she is always ready to clear their doubts, and she's so very patient and so dedicated. So I'm very much thankful to all these faculties and the Pharma Minds team. And last but not the least, it's Deepanshu sir. Because even after my GPAT exams, I was very demotivated because I didn't, after the answer key has been released, I didn't expect there would be so much negatives and my mark will fall so lower. But Deepanshu sir motivated me in a way. He's a very practical person. He'll never console you by telling any he will always be frank, and he'll be very practical. So all his consoling words made me stay motivated and perform better in NIPER exams also. So I'm very much thankful to all the faculties and Deepanshu sir in Pharma Minds. Thank you.
Thank you, Imani. Such a nice gesture of you. And I truly believe that whenever anybody of you must have texted me, and apart from you guys also, I always make sure to tell them that it is your hard work. You did 99.9999% work. We are just very, very negligible part of your journey. And it's your dedication, your commitment, your listening ability to do anything. Yes, Imani, please.
No, ma'am, I would say it is 50-50 in my case because I was not sure whether I can get into NIPER. Initially, when Deepanshu sir spoke to me also, I said, any NIPER is okay for me, any course at NIPER is okay for me. But Deepanshu sir then said that it is you have to decide which NIPER and which course, not the NIPER should decide which course you have to get into it. So all these words make us stay motivated and perform better in the exams. And I failed to tell this because all the modules and soft copies, even for NIPER exams, the non-pharma part that the Pharma Minds team has provided us, it made us stay calm. Okay, you don't have to search or go for any other thing. You have all the things ready in your hands. You can go through it before 10 days. Yes, you can do it. So all this motivation and confidence was given by Pharma Minds team. So it is 50-50, ma'am.
This is so nice of you. Like kind words. I am overwhelmed. My heart is filled. So now moving on to Abhishek, who must be waiting for his own turn. Abhishek, AIR 93, please.
Ma'am, 91.
91. Sorry.
Hello, ma'am. I am Abhishek Tembre. I am from Gondia, Maharashtra. मैम सबसे पहले मतलब मैं फर्स्ट ईयर में मैंने ऐसा सोचा था कि मतलब कॉलेज छोड़ दूंगा करके मेरा सिलेक्शन मतलब पोस्ट के एक GDS ग्रामीण डाक सेवक करके एक पोस्ट रहती है पोस्ट ऑफिस में, तो वहाँ मेरा मतलब सिलेक्शन हो गया था। तो मैंने ऐसा सोचा कि मतलब छोड़ देता हूँ कॉलेज, अब सीधा जॉब ही करता हूँ। फिर मतलब मेरे मम्मी ने मुझे बोला कि नहीं मतलब पढ़ाई कर ले, बाद में कर लेना जॉब। मैम फिर मतलब वहाँ से थोड़ा मतलब ये आया कि अब पढ़ना है करके। उसके बाद मैम फिर जैसे 4th सेमेस्टर से मैंने स्टार्ट किया था पढ़ना GPAT का। फिर 6th सेमेस्टर में जैसे आया, उसके बाद में जैसे फिर लास्ट ईयर जैसे इस टाइम नाइपर का रिजल्ट आया, वैसे लास्ट ईयर भी नाइपर का रिजल्ट आया तो मैंने अक्षत सर को लिंक्डइन पे कांटेक्ट किया था। तो अक्षत सर ने मुझे तब बताया था कि मतलब कैसे पढ़ना है, जैसे कि अभी बस 1 साल बचा है तो पूरे रेफरेंस बुक नहीं पढ़नी है, मॉड्यूल से पढ़ना है ताकि पूरा कवर हो ऐसा। उसके बाद में मुझे फार्मामाइंड्स के बारे में पता चला, मुझे गोपीनाथ सर से, मैंने गोपीनाथ सर को भी कांटेक्ट किया था तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि ये फार्मामाइंड्स है करके। उसके बाद में उन्होंने मुझे दीपांशु सर का नंबर वगैरह दिया, फिर दीपांशु सर ने मुझे ऐड किया था क्लासेस में।
एंड AIR 91 इज नाउ विद अस, जिसने कभी अपने फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में छोड़ा नहीं फार्मेसी, वरना आज AIR 91 हमें नहीं मिलती। Now,
So I want to add something. So Abhishek, like you are there and I added you in the group, that is true. And you are in the environment of learning. I know that thing from the past 3 to 5 months. You are in the continuous contact with Erin, Bhumi and all. And so I used to get the feedback from you, and Erin plays an important role in your life. That is also true. If you must agree with that, because he was the person who was motivating you to like do your masters. So
Yes, sir.
your mind told you 2 to 3 times, don't study, don't pursue, but your environment wants you to pursue your masters also.
Yes, sir.
So last time I was in the decathlon, I called you and I told you that first let this GPAT and NIPER result out, then we will
Yes.
think about it, what is going to happen. And
Yes,
you can see like magic is happening, your life is like turning, and NIPER Mohali will give you the life which is better, which is stronger, or you can say which is bolder, because getting a job in India is very easy. After 10th class you will have your job, but from 10,000 15,000 monthly to 2 lakh rupees, the whole life is going to be wasted after 10th or 12th. But after MS, after NIPER Mohali, you will start by 10 lakh, 12 lakh, maybe 6 lakh, but it will be 10 times within a 12 years of period.
Yes, sir.
So everything will change once you are at the right place. So
Yes, sir.
this message to everyone, if you can pursue your bachelor's or master, do pursue, because it is going to change your life. Okay, Sakshi, I'm done.
मैम मैं एक चीज बोलना चाहूँगा, मतलब मैम मेरे जो मतलब जहाँ पर भी हूँ, मतलब जो भी करूँगा इसमें मतलब सबसे ज्यादा मेरा योगदान है मेरे पेरेंट्स का। मैम मतलब वो नहीं होते तो शायद मैं आता ही नहीं। मतलब जिस जगह से आता हूँ वहाँ पे मेरे सारे दोस्त ने ITI पॉली करके रखा है, पर उन्होंने मतलब मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे यहाँ तक मतलब पढ़ाया, उसके लिए मतलब बहुत उनको थैंक यू।
ये मेरे को आपकी बात बहुत अच्छी लगी, क्योंकि कई बार हम कुछ लोग ये चीज अक्सर टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं, बट उनकी बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है। और मैं अक्सर मानती हूँ कि कुछ चुनिंदा लोग होते हैं जो हमारी सक्सेस से ज्यादा खुश होते हैं, जबकि उनको हमसे कुछ नहीं मिलना होता है, और पेरेंट्स उसमें सबसे पहले होते हैं। तो अभिषेक, आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू टुडे, बियॉन्ड योर रैंक ऑल्सो, कि आप की ये सोच है, और बहुत ही कम लोगों की आज की डेट में मेरे को ये सोच देखने मिलती है। तो आई एम वेरी वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू।
हमें मतलब पूरा मैं मतलब 80-90% पूरा क्रेडिट मेरे पेरेंट्स को है कि मैं यहाँ पे हूँ अभी करके।
ऑफ कोर्स आपको एक एनवायरनमेंट दिया गया है, आपको सपोर्ट किया गया है। हम आपको कॉल पे मोटिवेट करते थे, वो आपको आपके साथ रह के मोटिवेट करते थे। जब आप जागते थे तो हो सकता है आपकी चाय आपकी मम्मी बना के देती होगी। मेरे साथ यही होता था।
So motivation from the birth, तुम यहाँ पर आए उनकी मर्जी से हो, आए उनकी, तुम्हारी परवरिश यहाँ तक हुई है, तो 100% क्रेडिट तो पेरेंट्स को ही मिलता है। बट कहीं पर कहना ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होती है, तो इसका क्रेडिट तुम्हें जाता है। एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। अच्छा चल रहा है सब कुछ, अभी तुम बहुत अच्छा करोगे अपने मम्मी पापा के लिए।
मेरी लाइफ के सारे स्ट्रगल मेरे पापा मम्मी नहीं किए, वो मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं रखा।
अगर तुम ये सोच रखोगे मेरे को अब तुम्हारा फ्यूचर का कुछ सोचने जैसा मतलब है नहीं, टेंशन जैसा कुछ है नहीं, बिकॉज ये सोच जिनकी होती है उनको मैंने अक्सर ऊंचाइयां छूते हुए ही देखा है। पवित्रा, आपकी टर्न आ गई है अब।
So Pavitra is not familiar with Hindi. So,
Pavitra, may I?
Pavitra is there or not?
Just
Yes, she is with us.
Hi. How are you? What is your feeling?
I'm really happy with my rank, and I'm really to all the staff members. First of all, I need to congratulate all the rankers. And my All India rank is 112 in MSM from MBA session. I'm from Tamil Nadu, and I completed my UG from Madras Medical College. Blindly following Pharma Mind strategy, like we used to have weekly tests. I completely studied the weekly test syllabus, captures, have their notes, and yes, and I used to maintain a mistake as set by Deepanshu sir. The one thing I struggle mostly is by staying consistent throughout the preparation. Deepanshu sir acted as my personal accountability partner. Whenever I went off track from the preparation, before me noticing it, Deepanshu sir will notice it and will ping me like, Pavitra, why are you not attending the test? Why are you not giving the test properly? Like that, he used to ping me. So this made me have an accountability partner with the consistency which I've struggled throughout the preparation. So I have to say all the staffs are extremely knowledgeable and very good and they did their part very well. And I have to say about the doubt clearance, even if I asked a doubt like at 10 in the night, they used to reply immediately for the doubt clearance. So I'm very grateful to it. Also, I'm very happy for choosing Pharma Minds to help in my GSAT NIPA preparation.
Thank you, Pavitra, and thank you for letting me know the position of Deepanshu this year. Finally, I got to know that he is personal accountability partner. The best term that I can hear, the perfect terminology. And thank you for your kind words. Trust me, this is acting
yes,
like
accountable part. Yeah, that word I like means. Tonight, when I go to home, I will tell this term to my brother. Because in the morning somebody was appreciating me and my brother was like, तेरे को कौन appreciate कर रहा है?
Okay, so Kirtika, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to hear the most energized voice in the communication now, Kirtika, because you have given us the best interview I could have ever asked for.
Thank you, ma'am. That was a great introduction. And I don't know where I should start with, but to be honest, I was not that kind of a person who prepared for years together. It was in my third year I came to know that NIPER is a big shot and I can definitely try it. I love to mention about my seniors here. Because of them only, I joined Pharma Minds, and because of Pharma Minds and now I belong to this position here. So my seniors Gopinath and Aisha, both of them played a pivotal role for all of us because they directly showed us what Pharma Minds could provide us. Because we didn't have any clue that what we could achieve in literally 3 months. You won't believe me, I started my preparation only after my final semesters and I didn't have that much of a hope. Even Deepanshu sir used to be the same comment that I used to make. Like, sir used to be my strict PT teacher. He used to call me and be like, are you studying or not? I asked you for a timetable. Did you do it or not? He'll not be like this butter coating and all. He'll be straight to the face saying, I need you to do it. If you can do it, you will definitely achieve it. Because I had a lot of confusions with my category, ma'am. And I thought I cannot achieve that much of a rank to get into NIPER. So it was all because of him and my seniors that I joined Pharma Minds. So coming to Pharma Minds, I don't know where I should start with about the faculties because almost all of them are my favorite. Starting from Akash sir. Sir, I'm your biggest fan, sir, because I haven't touched Juris for around 2 weeks before the exam. Honestly, I opened Juris book around 10 days before the examination. I saw one lecture of yours and then I sat for around 2 days watching all your lectures and I completed the subject. And that I was very stressed. But whenever I used to see your lectures, I laugh my heart out. Even I think that was the best decision I took for myself because in every competitive examination, we were able to see 3 to 4 questions from the schedules. And I was like, Akash sir's face used to come in front of my screen whenever I see a question. And even now, I remember there was a question from Schedule O in NIPER, and I didn't think of any concept, anything. He used to say, O is for owl. You can use disinfectants for owl. So, bas utna hi. एक ही सेकेंड में आंसर हमारे सामने दिख जाता है. So I feel very grateful, sir, because I'm a person who uses a lot of tricks when it comes to studying. And I love the way you used to put the tricks, especially for all the 15 to 20 years in Juris. He used to make a literal story and I used to tell that story to every family member. I used to make them sit and usually like he told this and I remember this. So I feel very grateful for the way you teach, and I love the way you teach because it was not stressful. Such a factual subject was within the blink of an eye I could get it. Maybe because I understand Hindi, it was very easy for me. And मैं बोल भी सकती हूँ इसलिए थोड़ा easy होता है. लेकिन if it some people have language barriers, maybe that would be a problem. But I would say my top favorite is Akash sir, and even Akash Verma sir. I don't know pharmacology can be studied in such a way. As Himani said, even I felt I could have joined in my second year itself, so that my basics would have been thorough for years together. And Sakshi ma'am, I literally felt like you're my sister. Because whenever I used to run to you saying, ma'am, there are only 2 weeks, ma'am, I don't know if I could do it. She constantly used to say, no, Kritika, you still have time. Niper is in front of you yet. You have 2 days. Even 2 days before the exam, she used to tell me, you have 24 into 24 hours. So you can do it yet. So that way, all of the staffs have been constantly motivating me. And Akshay called me asking me, did you complete your syllabus? Are you done with your major? So everybody checks on us. I feel we have earned a family rather than just a coaching institute. And I guess both of us will be there on each end for each other, and we'll be very grateful till the end, ma'am. And I didn't know I could do this much of a thing in just 3 months. And as Himani said, it's a 50-50 thing. I attribute my success on a 50% to Pharma Minds only, ma'am. If it's 50% from my side. So all of the staffs are my favorite, and I don't know on which part should I take. And yes, ma'am, I kind of miss Akash sir here. If he would have been in this meet, I would have talked for half an hour. But I love the way he teaches pharmacology.
I will ask him to contact.
So that is it. And I feel like the best decision that I made in the last minute to study for Niper is to study with Pharma Minds. So, and one more thing that I would love to mention is the fees, ma'am. In no online portal we can find a course which is this much affordable with this much content and that much of a knowledgeable professor said that we can get on internet. So the prices, if we compare, it's drastically different. So that takes a very big turn from Pharma Minds.
Thank you.
Okay, so please, like you people are coming for the counseling. So whatever the difference you were able to measure from the other institution, I will be there to collect. So, okay.
I thought maybe we could go on a treat and that can compensate for that. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for that.
Dipanshu sir, keep some money aside for treat now.
Yes. So here, like one thing I want to mention is, I always used to say, if you start thinking about the subject, if you start taking interest in the subject, and if you able to understand like a small topic from the content, the learning becomes like very easy, and then you will read happily, you will learn happily. So when you do anything happily, it will be fixed in your mind for a long time. So the capturing capacity and the storing capacity will increase. It is just like the dopamine, serotonin, how they increase and decrease. In the same way, like when you learn happily, everything will be smoother, and like I already told you, your catching capability and storing capacity will increase, and which is going to help you in every competitive exam.
I think Rhythm, I think you are not in the call, or like I am not able to spot you. Rhythm?
He left the call, I think.
Yes, Rhythm is not there.
Pradeepa?
Yes, Pradeepa is there.
Hi, Pradeepa.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
I'm Pradeepa. I'm from Sankalpian batch 24 to 25. First of all, I would like to thank each and every staff in Pharma Minds, because I have only depends on Pharma Minds module, their class test, their series, and each and every staff in Pharma Minds, because they always motivated each and every students in Pharma Mind. But due to some decrease in my consistency, I scored less in Niper examination. But still, I will accept this mark. And thank you for everyone.
This is not less. I know that you are not satisfied with your marks, but yes, you are still like from 10, you are the 50, competed in the 50,000. Now you are under like this is an achievement that is a badge for you, and I will really guarantee you that you are amongst the 1% of the pharmacy students currently in India. You must be very, very proud of you, because we are very proud of you as a mentor. We are not we are like, yes, you must be having more potential. We know that your potential was high, but sometimes luck is hard and sometimes things don't work well. Hyper is a game of one or two questions, everything gets changed. So it is not like that. You must be very happy. Whenever somebody texts me, I say, celebrate your day, enjoy.
So this is the percentage we calculated on 15th of June. Means at the time I and Sakshi was on Google Meet and we were calculating the numbers. So as average number is minimum 2 lakh students pursue their master every year. And the people who are pursuing their masters in NIPER, they are less than 0.34%. Less than means less than 5%. 0.5%, not 5%, 0.5%. So we made the calculation, and if you are there below 1%, so you can think like where you stand, the quality, or you can say the beauty in your brain, like. So that brings you in NIPER, and you are super smart now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for now. Also, you are motivating me.
Okay, Abhishek.
Yes,
Abhishek is done.
I know, but let's start with some important questions now. Each topper is going to give us a tip, which usually students ask me, and I will now say that please listen to Abhishek for this doubt. So Abhishek, many students complains that the syllabus, they usually get struggled, like to read the whole KD Tripathi book, whole Martin book, something like that, Lekman book. What was your take with reference books?
मैम तो मैम मैंने मतलब जब हमारी सेमेस्टर स्टार्ट थी तब मैं रेफरेंस बुक से मैंने पूरा पढ़ा था एक बार, तो उससे मतलब जो कॉन्सेप्ट्स थे वो मेरे कॉन्सेप्ट सारे क्लियर हो गए थे। लेकिन जैसे ही मतलब मुझे मतलब जब मेरा 6th सेम खत्म तब मुझे उतना आइडिया नहीं था मतलब कैसे पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है। बस मैंने ऐसे मतलब ऐसे बस सेमेस्टर के लिए पढ़ाई की थी और मतलब जस्ट सारे रेफरेंस बुक पढ़ लिए थे। उसके बाद में वैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि मतलब मैंने अक्षत सर से बात की थी और गोपीनाथ सर से बात की थी, तो उन्होंने मुझे इंपॉर्टेंस बताया कि अब 1 साल बचा है तब अब रेफरेंस बुक नहीं पढ़ सकते क्योंकि उतना टाइम नहीं है। उसके बाद फिर मैंने मैम मॉड्यूल से पढ़ना चालू किया और मॉड्यूल से ही सारा सिलेबस कवर किया। तो मैम मुझे तो मतलब सिलेबस उतना मतलब मेरा सिलेबस पूरा कवर हो गया था, मतलब मैंने छोड़ा नहीं कुछ भी टॉपिक्स।
वही अगर आप सही टाइम पे शुरू करते हो तो आप रेफरेंस कवर कर पाते हो और फिर आप बाकी करते पे अच्छे से मॉड्यूल्स, शॉर्ट नोट्स, टिप ट्रिक्स सब सॉल्व कर सकते हो। ये सही तरीका है, एंड आई थिंक स्टूडेंट्स को भी हम यही बोलते हैं कि 3rd ईयर इज द बेस्ट टाइम, मतलब आपको एक इनफ टाइम मिलता है कि आप सब कुछ कर पाओ एटलीस्ट।
इसीलिए अभिषेक का नंबर भी मेरे फोन में abhishek@संकल्प मॉड्यूल्स नाम से सेव है।
Okay, Gayatri, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So usually students के साथ ये issue आता है, they face like कि अभी उनका okay, English, yeah, sorry. So whenever students used to, like students really question us that, ma'am, we have not completed our syllabus yet. I am not going to give tests now. I will give all the tests when I will complete my syllabus.
So my take is what my seniors advised me is whatever happens, you studied or not, you should give the test. Then only you will get to know what type of questions you're going to get. So I followed that thing. Even I studied or not, even if I don't feel confident on Sundays giving a test, after I wake up, I just give test. I don't feel like studying, then I'll give the test. Then I'll then rectify what is my mistake, and I will try to memorize then and there. That is what Aisha, my seniors, said me. Memorize then and there. Then that is also a part of learning. So if I can solve some 5 problems, 5 questions in 10 questions, then that is also a learning only, right? So rest of the 5 questions you're going to learn anyway. So always give tests. If you studied or not, give tests on Sundays. And whenever you feel less confident, give some mock tests and get to know what type of questions. That is what I actually did during my preparations also. I used to give small tests, like 10 questions, boosted questions. And that actually came in like GPAT and NIPER. I'm very happy about that. So always give tests. So don't miss upon the test because it will even more lower your confidence when you're actually facing the exam. So I would say always attend tests on Sundays, or if you're in Pharma Minds, always attend tests on Sundays and always give some mock tests and always follow some pages like which offers you questions. Be it any platform, I always attend questions in YouTube and all, right? So I practice questions in that way. So that was really helpful, I would say.
Thank you very much. Now, Himani.
So, Sakshi, can I add one more point here? So, like, I used to call people who was giving test, and after 5 or 7 tests, they used to forget that there is Sunday and there is a test of Pharma Mind also. So I used to call them. So many times people used to say like, "Sir, I haven't read." So it is good. Your attitude is after learning the content you are going to appear test, but and the main reason they don't give test to, like, they will get less score. So I used to tell them, take every question as an opportunity, because this test is something which is you are going to analyze and you are going to correct it. Because here we will give you 100 tests and there are 100 times you wanna go to correct yourself. So if you have learned anything perfectly, do test. It will make you feel happy that whatever you have learned, you are getting good marks. And if there is a chance of error or there is a chance of negligence, you will avoid them immediately. Number 2, if you haven't read the test, the syllabus of the test, and still there is a test, do attempt the test. Why? Because that test will give you idea which and how the question asked from the topic. So this will give you an edge and an opportunity of interest also, because when you learn any, like if you see any question and you're just reviewing the content and you will find that, oh, one question was asked in the test from this particular point. So that thing will click in your mind immediately, and this will create an interest in learning. Okay, so that interest will come. So the only thing which you people need to avoid is the judgment. You are nowhere to judge yourself or any of a friend or anyone who wants. You are not the judge. Okay, so you are here to attempt the test. You are here to like accept the current situation, what the current situation is. It can be good, it can be bad, but your learning should be this wala graph. Okay.
Himani?
Yes, ma'am.
Students often complain that they are not able to balance their college semester examinations, projects, and they miss studying for GPAT for some couple of days or months. Now, you must also have faced this kind of situations in your duration of preparation for GPAT. How did you tackle that situation when semester exams got popped up?
Ma'am, in my case, I have joined Pharma Minds when I am in my 7th semester, I think, I'm not sure. But hopefully in the September month, I have joined the Pharma Minds. But I should not say this, but I didn't follow it regularly or give the test regularly during my 7th or 8th semesters, because I completely started preparing with a deep dedication only after all my 8 semesters. But even though, because when we go to college regularly, being a day scholar, it is very difficult to stick to both the college works as well as our futuristic goals like NIPER or GPAT preparations. But somehow we should take time and we should manage and balance both these. What I used to do is after college, I would, being a good student since my school days, I would complete all the homeworks or the assignments that is given in schools or college right after coming to my home after a bit of relaxing time. So I will complete all the college work soon after returning to home, because with Pharma Minds, I would like to connect after my dinner or after 8 p.m. because I'm a night owl, because I can stay awake till 12 or 1 p.m. because it was trained during my semester exams also. So I managed it that way. So someone is not okay with being awake for long hours during the night, they could manage it during the morning hours. They can sleep early and they can start preparing in the morning. Because some people prefer learning new things at morning, not being new, but most of the syllabus that we have studied in our previous semesters, would have faded off by the time when we are in our 7th or 8th semester. So we need a consistent recalling of all these subjects. Also, I agree with Deepanshu sir, because we cannot blindly take a test without having any knowledge, because it can still even more demotivate us. So what I recommend or suggest my juniors also is, take a concept, learn it, and give the test after completing the concept, so that you can find what more you should concentrate in that particular concept. So these things I would like to do in after my college hours in the night.
Okay, Imani. So you gave me a different perspective overall, that you kind of managed because you were very good at your college. But I think Kirtika has also an important point to speak.
Yes, and I got to know that like they were playing with my strategy. So early morning there was a task to revision of any topic for 35 minutes, and it was not happening. I got to know that thing.
Nothing like that, sir. I used to revise only pharmacology classifications in the morning, sir, because I'm not a morning person, sir. Because I have to get to
I would love to make a note here. I don't know in what way you asked her that question, because she is that particularly consistent person in our class. To be honest, I've always inspired her way of consistency since semester 1 till semester 8. She is that perfect person for that question. So I was like having this urge to tell it from the start itself, because she is the best to manage both. We will always look at her because her works or assignments, we are a people of 65 in our class, but I would say she and Jayashri, both of them are like the top consistent persons in our class. So it's definitely the perfect questions for Himani, and she's just maintaining it in underway, but don't believe her. She's the top consistent person in our class.
Disclaimer, just for fun.
I am just surprised, or I am just very happy for you guys that the batch with toppers this year for NIPER who are going to accompany each other in NIPER Mohali as well. This is very, very rare situation where a batch is having so many rankers under AIR 100. So it is kudos to you guys, because you guys maintain that environment for each other. For you guys motivated each other. You guys were competing with each other already. So this is like, I have always mentioned in my classes that the first batch of Pharma and this batch is my favorite batch. I don't know why, but yes, I have always been connected with you guys. And I think, Jayashri, now a question to you.
Yes, ma'am.
So basically, everybody make mistakes, even in tests. How did you make sure that the same mistake is not repeated the next time? Did you feel demotivated, or you'd maintain some books for that notes or something like that?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Actually, each time whenever I do mistakes, I just note that in my Sankalp modules. And during revision, I just see all those notes one. And one important thing is that it is not only important to give class tests every week, it is also important to check out for the answers. That is my main thing.
So Lakshya.
Yes, ma'am.
सबका एक वीक सब्जेक्ट होता है जो वो छोड़ना चाहते हैं. आपका वो वीक सब्जेक्ट कौन सा था और क्या आपने उसको छोड़ दिया?
मैम एक्चुअली कोर में ऐसा कोई सब्जेक्ट था नहीं जो मैंने छोड़ा. मतलब जैसे भी जो इतने क्रिस्प और शॉर्ट नोट्स प्रोवाइड करे गए थे टीम के थ्रू, तो इजीली हम टॉपिक्स को इजीली रिवाइज कर सकते थे. लास्ट 1 वीक में सारे थे. एंड मेनली नॉन फार्मा का था, उसके लिए मैं थोड़ा टेंस था. उसमें एप्टीट्यूड का थोड़ा मुझे डाउट था, क्योंकि पीसीएम था नहीं मेरे 12th में, पीसीबी था. तो एप्टीट्यूड में जो डाउट्स थे उसके लिए तो अक्षय सर ने जो भी ट्रिक्स बताई, शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स, उसके थ्रू वो कवर हो गया. उसमें थोड़ा सा डाउट था. तो क्लॉक्स की ट्रिक्स से जो भी होगा, अक्षय सर को शायद याद होगा, उन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछा था क्लास में 4 to 4:15 के बीच में कितना एंगल होगा. यस सर, दैट वाज माय वीक पार्ट्स. लेकिन आपने हेल्प करी तो उसके थ्रू वो भी इजीली कवर अप हो गया. यस सर, सॉरी.
केमिस्ट्री का कभी डर नहीं लगा?
केमिस्ट्री में ऐसे डर नहीं था. मेड कैम करा था तो उसके जो मतलब स्ट्रक्चर से आपके नेम के थ्रू इजीली मेमोराइज कर सकते हैं, उनके थ्रू करा था.
मैंने जैसे
केमिस्ट्री का लड़कों को नहीं, और खास तौर से जिसका नाम लक्ष्य हो.
ये बात ठीक है.
बिकॉज़ because I usually observe the people, like the students complain to me that they are facing the problems in chemistry.
Actually,
theoretical subjects.
From now, Laksh is going to take care of it. Just share his number to each student who is asking this question.
मैं एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन यही पूछने वाली थी कि सबका वीक सब्जेक्ट अक्सर मेडिसिनल केमिस्ट्री होता है, क्या आपका भी वीक सब्जेक्ट मेडिसिनल केमिस्ट्री था? बट मैंने चेंज कर दिया क्वेश्चन.
एक्चुअली आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन, मतलब मेरे कॉलेज की स्टोरी है. तो जो फर्स्ट मेड कैम्प का 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड होते हैं. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट था, तो उसमें इतना ज़्यादा अच्छे से प्रिपेयर नहीं करा था. मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर हम लोग का कोविड में था. देन फ्रॉम द 3rd सेमेस्टर वो ऑफलाइन स्टार्ट हो गया था. तो फर्स्ट सेम इतना अच्छा नहीं गया, तो मैं थोड़ा फोकस स्टार्ट करा उस मतलब उसके बेसिक समझने में कि आपको कैसे मतलब नेम के थ्रू याद करना है या उसमें कौन सी मल्टी प्रेजेंट है. तो जो मेड कैम्प का मेरा सेकंड पार्ट था, उसमें मतलब हम लोग का एग्जाम जो होता था थ्योरी, तो उसमें अप्रॉक्स मैंने 50 to 51 स्ट्रक्चर एज इट इज बनाए थे एग्जाम के थ्योरी में. और उसमें मेरे हाईएस्ट मार्क्स गए थे मेड कैम्प में. उस टाइम 61 हाईएस्ट थे, 75 का अराउंड हम लोग का थ्योरी मार्क्स होता था. सो तब से मेड कैम्प से मतलब थोड़ा डर हट गया. बाकी जो भी आप लोग नोट्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पे सिंथेसिस हम लोग को करनी रहती है, सिंथेसिस के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, ये मेन स्टार्टिंग में क्या रिएक्टेंट क्या है, तो वो जो इजीली शॉर्ट नोट्स थे 1-2 पेजेस के पीडीएफ में कंबाइंड, तो उनके थ्रू भी रैपिड रिवीजन हो गया. तो उससे क्लैरिटी थी, तो इतना डाउटफुल नहीं रहा चीज़ों में.
मतलब यही है कि पढ़ोगे तो आएगा, नहीं पढ़ोगे तो नहीं आएगा. सिंपल.
बिल्कुल. और मैम, आप चॉइसेस आपके पास क्या है? अगर आपने चॉइस ये रखी है कि चॉइस में ऑप्शन ही एक है कि नाइपर है, तो आपको वही ऑप्शन चाहिए. तो आप उसके लिए अपनी फुल जो भी हार्ड वर्क कर सकते हो, स्मार्ट वर्क कर सकते हो, दोनों कंबाइन करके जो भी कर सकते हो. स्नाइपर आपकी ओनली चॉइस है, तो आप उसको आपको लेना ही है. अपने लक्ष्य को अचीव करना ही है आपको.
आई वांट योर परमिशन, मैं आपकी लाइन अब हर लेक्चर में यूज करूं कि अगर ऑप्शन में नाइपर है तो नाइपर ही यूज करूं.
एंड लाइकली मैं लक्ष्य को बोलना चाहूंगा कि जब तुम नाइपर आओगे ना, तो तुम्हारे लिए मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि एक स्पेशल सेशन रखवाया जाए जहाँ से तुम्हें वो 51 स्ट्रक्चर्स में ड्रॉ करवाऊं बोर्ड पे.
यस सर, बिल्कुल. रिवाइज एक बार कर लूंगा, तो उसमें डाउटफुल नहीं हूँ मैं. बनाई.
क्या बात है. मैं भी आऊंगा अक्षर. जस्ट व्हेन इट इज गोइंग टू हैपन आई विल बी देयर.
मतलब सर एंटी कैंसर्स के रहते हैं, उसके इजीली आते नहीं है. बाकी जो अपनी सीएनएस से सीवीएस कैटेगरी रहते हैं, उनके तो एंटी कैंसर कोई विन क्रिस्टियन का बोल देगा तो वो तो नहीं बनेगा. या उसका लैम्डा मैक्स पूछ लेगा. तो
हमारे लिए स्टेप्टोमाइसिन बहुत है. स्टेप्टोमाइसिन बना देना बस.
पता नहीं चलेगा.
ये भी सही है.
ऐसा मैं टीचर भी हम लोग कितने मेड कैम्प के, मतलब इज आल्सो उन्होंने फेलोशिप करी ऑक्सफोर्ड से एक्चुअली. सो उन्होंने अप्रिशिएट करा, उन्होंने भी कहा कि अच्छा कर सकते हो.
और तुमने अच्छा करके बताया है.
हाँ, उनको बताया, उन्होंने कहा भी बहुत अच्छा. जब हम लोग के थ्योरी के रिजल्ट रिलीज हुए एक्चुअली.
पवित्रा,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So there are times where students feel underconfident. There is a phase of self-doubt that they are not going to achieve something. Now, obviously, this was a journey, not a short journey, very long journey, in which tests sometimes we don't score well in every test, right? We don't really, after topics fade off and we doubt ourselves that now we are not going to achieve something that we have always dreamt of. Now, what is your take on it, and how did you deal with the situations of underconfidence and self-doubt?
The self-doubting got me like really seriously in the last 2-3 months, where like suddenly we started giving full portion syllabus. So before that we were giving weekly test, which was fine because you can easily study the weekly syllabus. But suddenly when we started giving the whole portion, I was really not getting the ranks I wanted, and the marks really dipped very steeply. So I was like really underconfident about myself. I doubted like what are the things I have studied the whole year. I have forgotten it completely. So I am really underconfident. I don't know what to do. So I really have to say the truth is I stopped giving the test. That's when again Dipanshu sir gave me like you have to attend the test no matter what. You will learn. You will know where you lack after giving the test. So honestly, I was very afraid, so stopped giving at some point, and then I restarted it because of the Dipanshu sir. I started giving the test. Even though my ranks dropped, I worked on the most important things. At the end of the day, you cannot complete everything in your to-do list because you will have 100 things to study. You will not be able to complete it, so you will be demotivated. I would say prioritize. You have to prioritize it and complete it. Complete like 70% of the to-do list and be happy with it.
Only when you're happy with what you're doing, you will be motivated to do it the next day. If you're like demotivated, like I have not completed the entire syllabus now, then you will be demotivated the next day also. You won't stop. You won't study. So I would say be happy with what you're doing and do it consistently. Consistency is very important. And even though your marks fall, have someone to encourage you, like Deepanshu sir.
Dipanshu sir, the personal accountability partner.
Yes, sir.
And Pradeepa?
Yes, ma'am.
So, आपने ऐसे process में you must have undergone like
English, ma'am.
Sakshi ma'am, Madras Medical College is there.
English. Okay, so during your process, you must have like a point for your juniors, the mistake that you have made, and you want your juniors not to do.
Yes, first of all, I would like to say that consistency, because in last 3 months, I have lost my consistency due to some issues in my house. So whatever problem surround us, we have to focus in our studies, because that is our goal and aim. So we have to do consistency, and we have to read the classifications and naming reactions and most important things, and many topics are very forgettable things, so we have to revise it more than 10 times, and n number of times we have to revise daily, and we have to attend more mock tests in Google and in our Pharma Minds test series also.
Okay, so maintain your consistency, because yes, revision is very important. This is a journey to travel, and we can't forget and forgive every time. Kirtika.
Yes, ma'am.
Guru mantra for your juniors.
Guru mantra for my juniors. Again, consistency, ma'am. Whatever we can say, like we can do things in the last 3 months, but definitely the one who is consistent will be at the top. Because as we cannot predict whatever is going to happen in the next few days, and we can't know whether we can study or not. It may be of personal problems, health problems, or whatever it can be. Even I faced around a week loss due to my health issue. So I felt like maybe if I covered more in that particular week, whatever I planned for that week, maybe my rank would have definitely gone more higher. So my father used to tell me this: never plan anything for the last moment. So consistency is everything, ma'am. I feel like consistency for at least a year could definitely get us a good rank in NIPER.
Yes, definitely.
And more importantly, staffs like you who give us some good tricks for each subject. I think the core tricks that we should grasp for that particular subject, because you guys have already got a well-depth knowledge about that subject. So instead of figuring out what it is by ourselves, we can get the proper guidance. The core part that we should actually grasp from our professors, and that is the main thing I feel.
Thank you very much, Kirtika. This is like, I have only this much questions for each one of you guys. If Akash sir, Rakshat sir, Dipanshu sir want to end something. Anybody?
Yes, Akshat, Akash, just make your statement, then I will add 2 lines. Like at the end, I will add 2 lines.
I think questions already Sakshi was covered, that how to guide and how to motivate, and we have already seen the journey, like throughout the year, how they are scoring and what are the score they are getting actually. So what their struggles and determination actually comes into the result. That's my only statement. So I just wanted to say that stay humble always, and stay that much hungry that you are for your entire journey, you will definitely get a good achievement in your life. And all the best for your future endeavor.
Likely, I would like to tell everyone that when you get NIPER, so you get relaxed. That is the very big mistake you make in your life. When you get NIPER, you should not be relaxed. You should make, I think you should do 2x hard work now from now self. Okay? Because now you are a Niperian, you are, I think, 0.1%. You are in the top 0.1%. So it's like a brand, it's like a logo. Okay? So you carry that NIPER brand with you. And so responsibility is now high. and likely you will all will handle it very wisely. And all the best for your journey. And like I am here in Mohali campus as your senior, I will guide you guide you surely. And many of seniors like Aisha, Gopinath, they are there. So all the best to all.
You will find a lot of Sankalpians there. So thank you all for joining Sankalp batch, because Sankalp batch is something which is giving us identity or confidence to go anywhere. People know us just because of you. You are the creators. You created us, and you are the person who is giving an identity. Like I am not with the teaching. Like I don't teach you anything, but still people remembers me. So that makes me feel special. And you are special because you are making something which we can't like imagine. Like people, more than 1,000 people know Sakshi, Akash, Akshat, Sameep. Either it is Kitakshi ma'am, then Akash Verma sir, Dipanshu Pandey, and the other staff members. Like people know them, like Akshat. So Akshat joined last year in the month of December. I talked to him, and then this year he taught you also, and now he is also feeling the feeling that we were feeling from past 3 years. So thank you, and ask your juniors to join us. We want to teach more. We want to be connected. We want your juniors, seniors, like you both of them, like your juniors and seniors. You can find them in Nipah. Like I want your bachelor and master should be aligned. Your juniors, then your seniors. Okay. So all the very best, and thank you for joining. Thank you for giving the interview. All the very best. Your future is already bright. You just need to nourish yourself for next 2 years, and that nourishment will be given by your seniors. And all the very best. I'm very happy to have you all.
Please be in touch, and all the best for your future endeavors. And Himani want to add something.
You are mute, Himani. You are mute.
Mute.
I would like to end this session by giving a special title to Akshat Jain sir. I would like to give him the title of Father of Pericyclic Reactions, because he took it that deep and he was that hardworking in making it understand to us. So I'd like to give this title to you, sir.
I have noted it down.
Just let me know, like wherever I'll go, I'll speak that statement.
Father of Pericyclic Reactions.
The ODC trick, huh?
Okay, guys. It was pleasure talking to you, and probably I will not meet you face to face someday, or maybe the pharma world is very small, as my professor says. But yes, you will meet many of your faculties in Nipah Mohali. So yeah, and thank you very much for joining us.
Okay, Sakshi, I'm leaving.
Yes.